Hey everyone, welcome to our family travel blog. Today we are heading from Melbourne to Sydney for a fun filled vacation. Here we are at the airport, super excited to board our flight. And off we go. Just landed in beautiful Sydney. Now time to head to our hotel and settle in. Check out our room at the W Sydney.
If we hold on tight, we'll keep going till we reach new heights, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good.
How amazing is this view? We spent some time relaxing, taking in the view, and even made a splash at the pool.
Ever thought we could. We're on to something good. All I know, somehow we'll see this through. Every second that it takes is a sign we're on the way. Wait to the rhythm of the moment that we're making. The silver lining we'll find is worth the waiting. I think we're on to something good. If we hold on tight, we'll keep going.
After a little break, we went to explore Darling Harbour.
Than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. We're on to something good. On to something that lines the sky. We'll let it be.
And guess what? We got to see the Paramount Bridge rotating open for a ship to pass. Such a cool moment. Stay tuned.
Going further than we ever thought we could. Yeah, we're on to something good. We won't let go. We'll keep pushing through the highs and lows, going further than we ever thought we could. Yeah, we're on to something good.
Rise and shine. Today, we took a train to the iconic Sydney Opera House and did the tour. It was such a breathtaking experience. After that, we hopped on a ferry to Manly Beach. Beautiful scenery all round during the ride. We had lunch by the beach and enjoyed the fresh air. Mainly, it's such a peaceful spot. In the evening, it was time to unwind back at the hotel with a jacuzzi session. Can't think of the better way to end the day. Afternoon, we caught a taxi to Bondi Beach to catch a sunset. And wow, Bondi never disappoints. A perfect ending to another beautiful day in Sydney.
Through the crowds, just out of reach. You're wearing the sunshine. My dream on the beach. I fell for you, and I think I'm falling still. I loved you so true, and I know I always will. Look at me, you're my beach dream, baby. Look at me, you're my beach dream, baby. We sleep in the waves like they're our bed. I hear every song you play in your head. I fell for you, and I think I'm falling still. I loved you so true, and I know I always will. Look at me, you're my beach dream, baby. Look at me, you're my beach dream, baby.
Another day, another adventure. We started off with a visit to the Sydney Tower Eye. Afterwards, we explored the beautiful Queen Victoria building and wandered through the CBD.
When the sun starts to shine, we could do this all the time. Good morning to a new endeavor. Wake up bright to a new adventure. We got so much more to see. Together, just you and me. Come on, pack your bags, let's get out of the door. We've been waiting long enough, it's time to go. This is what we've both been searching for. We could do this every day. Every day. We could do this every day. We could do this every day. Every day. We could do this every day. We could do this every day. Do this every day.
On our final day, we visited the Sea Life Sydney Aquarium. So many cool marine creatures to see. It's a must visit for families. We even had lunch at the aquarium, enjoying the atmosphere before heading back to the hotel to pack. all packed and ready. It's time to head back home to Melbourne. We had a smooth flight back, and that's a wrap on our Sydney adventure. Thank you for joining us on this trip. We had the best time. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the vlog. See you in the next adventure.